Hello, students. Welcome to the next lesson of entrepreneurship. We are in chapter 2, entrepreneurial planning. Today, we will do 2.3 and 2.4 of this chapter. The topics are organizational planning, operational and production planning. Just a quick reminder from 2.2 business plan. The various contents or elements of a business plan are organizational plan, operational and production plan, financial plan, marketing plan, and human resource plan. So, we will do the first two elements today. So, organizational plan gives a complete idea about the setup of the organization. It provides detailed information about who has what kind of authority in the enterprise and how each member of the enterprise deal with others while doing their managerial functions. There are few elements which are included in the organizational plan. Number 1, forms of ownership. Operational plan clearly defines the form of ownership, that is, whether business is owned by one individual, that is sole proprietorship business, or whether there are partners, that means partnership business, or it is equity holding of various shareholders, that is joint stock company. Number 2, identification and complete details about business partners, members, etc. Organizational plan gives detailed information about its partners and members. The information includes their name, addresses, their share in the business, qualifications, etc. The third information which is given in the organizational plan is the administrative structure, levels of management, and organizational structure, that is a functional or divisional structure. The organizational plan gives the style of operation of the business, that is whether organization is following a functional structure or divisional structure. It also gives the details about how many subordinates are under one superior and the details of the members in the top, middle, and the lower level of management and their authorities. And the fourth element is identification of management team. The organizational plan also contains the name, address, and the details of the directors, top level managers, etc., their vision and the mission for the organization. Now, let us go to the next topic, that is operational and production plan. So, first of all, let us understand what is the meaning of operation in a business term. Operation means the various business activities which deal with the transportation of raw materials into final products or services. So, the operational plan focuses on the various operations. The operational plan describes the various physical necessities of the business operations, such as the physical location of the business, raw materials to be used, human resource facilities, etc. So the operational plan also contains some elements. Number 1, details of manufacturing process. It gives the details of the various stages of production of goods and provides information about how the stock will be maintained. The second details is physical infrastructure required. This gives the details of the various infrastructure which will be needed in the organization and how will they arrange it. Number 3, types of plant and machinery. It gives the detailed information regarding the types of machinery the organization needs and how will they arrange it. Number 4, raw materials to be used. This gives a detailed information regarding the requirements of raw materials and whether it will be available readily. If not, then how much stock is to be maintained, etc. And the last one is requirement of power, etc. To ensure smooth working of machinery, smooth supply of power is must, and it is necessary to plan about how to arrange it and ensure that there is no disturbance in the power supply during the work.